This is the belt foam bar, a better way to clean conveyor belts. The belt foam bar applies a sheet of foam for you while the belt makes its revolution, so you don't have to do that manually anymore, Bob. The unique design provides consistent foam coverage regardless of mounting height and covers belts as wide as 48 inches. Cam couplers make it easily removable between cleaning sessions, and it comes with everything you need to quickly connect it to one of our foaming units. You can pair the belt foam bar with our rinse bar to further simplify your cleaning process when you rinse, foam, and rinse again before sanitizing.
The belt foam bar, in my opinion, is just a phenomenal piece of equipment. An employee can set up this piece of equipment. They can actually go to another area in the plant, say for 30, 40 minutes, however long it may take to clean the line, do sanitation in the other area of the plant, and come back to that piece of equipment instead of being in one spot. And that way we'll be more lean and more efficient in everything that we do here.